guys, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of March 2nd through the 8th. So this week I have this kit from Thatcher called Write Your Story. Super cute, all these little birds, coffee, typewriters. I really like it. To go with this, I pulled a ton of washi tape. I don't know what I'm going to use. I have all of these from Michael's. I kind of want to use this one because I never have a chance that it actually goes. I also have these two from AliExpress. A ridiculous number of these really skinny ones from, I think, Amazon. This one has feathers in really good colors, so I'm gonna probably try to fit that one in as well. And then I have these 3 skinny ones from Dollar Tree, which I'm gonna use for the headers this week because they're the right width. Yeah, it's not a super busy week, but I'm excited to get it planned out. So let's see. To start out with, I'm going to put down the date covers, which are actually date strips here, so that should be really fast. I'm going to write in the date numbers with one of these. They're like iBuyam pens, fine liners. I'm trying to decide what color I want to use. I think I'm going to use this color right here, which will hopefully kind of go with the purple birds. We'll see. So that is there, and then these are the 3 headers I'm going to use. I think I might try to scatter them this week. I did that I think a couple weeks ago, and it turned out cute here. I think that was pretty cute, so I might try to do that again, and then I can scatter the full boxes to go with it. Alright, so I'm going to do all those things, and then I will be right back. So one of these has to be it. I'm going to do it even though the polka dots are with the polka dots. I don't care. It's going to be fine. I feel like I did not cut this one very well. Oh, apparently I just picked the wrong corner. Alrighty then. Okay, so there is that one. And then we're going to scatter the rest. I already said this one was going to be for Thursday. I think my plan, it's my header I messed up. I think my plan is to follow the purple. Alright. Then, I guess, do I want the plain birds next or the typewriters next? I think I'm going to put the typewriters next. There's not a whole lot of method to my madness. So some of these birds are going to be facing out, which kind of bothers me, but we're just going to make do. Put this one here. And then this one can go on Wednesday. I don't really know why. but I think it'll be fine. All right, then I think the plain bird's next. So I think I'm gonna put this one here. Put this one on Tuesday. And then this one can go on Monday, because I don't want to put like a wood panel on both Saturday and Sunday. That seems excessive. So there's that one. And then the polka dots will also be divided up between the 2 pages, like so. All right, great. So let's get started on the sidebar. My plan, I think, is to use some of this skinny washi if I can figure out where it starts. I've never used this one before, so I have to like pull the weird little like tape that holds the tape closed. I've never understood why they have those. Does anybody know? All right, so I'm just gonna stick this down straight across. Use my little slice tool. Freehand, not straight, it's fine. Let me see in my leftovers what I have. Just a little scrap in there. In the way of like habit trackers. Do I want a habit tracker? I think I'm gonna put this one in. I think it's probably from Cavern Studio. This one goes with the monthly kits. I don't know why it's sized for that. Since you're not going to put like a weekly habit tracker in a monthly. Could be wrong about where this leftover comes from as well, to be honest. But I've trimmed it down to be close enough. So there we go. That is going to be for job search, as it has been pretty much continuously. And to go with that, I think I'm just gonna pull this like little $sign. It's a leftover, I'm not sure from where. All right, after that, I'm gonna put some more of this feather, really skinny washi, because I like it, so I'm gonna use it. I've been tracking my dinners, but first I'm gonna put in this giant coffee cup. All my scrippy scraps are like not sticking very well. And this giant bird, if I can get it off. Okay. So I definitely want to fit these guys. I'm going to stick them down here at the bottom. Like so. So I know how much like space I have right here. This technically goes off the edge, but it's like such a tiny amount that I'm not going to worry about it. Okay. So also in my leftovers, I have some like weekly things. And I'm going to use this one that has coffee beans on it. It's from Britannia Nicole, and it goes with this kit perfectly. There we go, and then I think there's just enough space for me to stick one more row of my really skinny feather washi tape, and then it'll just be done. Okay, there we go. Sidebar is done. Okay, I have these 4 full boxes, so I'm going to use them on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, I think, to kind of split them up. So I'm going to stick, I think, this one at the top of Monday. I'm not going to use them like as one important full box thing, because that's not really how my life is going. But I'm going to take, these are from Cavern Studio, from a sampler. Her shop is closing. It'll be closed by the time you guys see this. So I'm not going to get any more of these, but I'm just going to put in film and edit from that. I'm not going to put anything with it because I feel like that covers it pretty well. So there's not really anything else that needs to go there. And then underneath that, I was going to use this one, but then I need like another box, and that's like so many boxes on here. So I'm going to take this star that fades from pink to yellow. It's from like a Happy Planner book. I'm going to stick that right here. And that's because I need to send some emails on Monday. All right, Tuesday, I'm going to start at the bottom. And I am going to take a Prairie Planner sticker. These are her curling stickers. I'm just going to leave this out because I'm going to need another one of these after. I'm going to just stick this down here. We have an early game on Tuesday. Also on Tuesday, I am going to, I think, give up on chronological order. These are stickers from Dollar Tree. That I never remember to use, so I am going to use one. So this says meeting. Maybe we'll stick it right here. So I have an interview, so I'm just going to put that in right there. And then I might stick some washi tape, depending on how much space after I write. I might be able to squeeze something in. We'll see. Wednesday, I have nothing scheduled. All our shows are on Wednesday night, but I don't know how much space I'm going to have to put them, so I'm going to just ignore that issue for now. Thursday, before I forget, I'm going to take the other Prairie Planner sticker and stick that at the bottom. This one is a late game, so definitely nothing is happening after that, because it'll be like midnight by the time that is done. That is all I have on Thursday. Friday, I have nothing scheduled. Saturday, I'm going to use another one of these Dollar Tree stickers that says Treat Yourself. I'm going to put it right here. We have massages scheduled. We've had them scheduled for a while, so I'm going to put that in there. And then the last thing I have is on Sunday. It's written down here, which is very inconvenient because it really applies up here. It's the start of daylight savings time. So I am using this clock that I think is a leftover from Pink Pixel Graphics when she was still open, and I'm just going to stick that up there for that one. All right, so that is what it looks like before I write everything in. I'm going to use the iHow 0.38 I like using. I'm going to write stuff in, and then I'll be right back. All right, there is all the pre-planning done. Stick around for just a second and you can see the finished week. All right, here's the finished week. As usual with Victoria Thatcher kits, I used up the full page, nothing left. So let's go through it. If I don't mention it, it's from the kit. I used a ton of leftovers. The skinny washi I think is from Amazon. These leftovers, I'm not sure. This one's from Britannia Nicole. My headers are from Dollar Tree. These scripts are from Cavern Studio. This is from Happy Planner. a leftover. I don't know where it's from. And this is from Sarah Elizabeth Prince, as is this one. This I think is a Plannerology Studio leftover, and then this one is from Dollar Tree. This is from My Planner Life UK, and this is from Prairie Planner. Another checklist, I don't know where it's from. That's from my shop, I think. And that is probably a Plannerology Studio. Another checklist, I don't know where it's from. That's from Britannia Nicole. This is from an Agenda 52 book at Hobby Lobby. This is more of that Amazon washi. This one's from Michaels, and another Prairie Planner curling rock. This rescheduled, I'm not sure where it's from. The call was from Dollar Tree. This is another one from My Planner Life, Amazon washi, and Creative Cavern Studio. This is from Dollar Tree, Michaels, another checklist. I don't know where it's from. Leftovers from my shop, and then the Amazon washi and Michaels washi. This is a leftover from Pink Pixel Graphics. She's not open anymore, but super cute. Creative Cavern Studio, also not open anymore. My shop, Plannerology Studio, and then the rest is just the headers from Dollar Tree and the kit. All right, that is everything for this week. As always, please like and subscribe below. Let me know what you think about this kit. I thought it was cute and fun and definitely like spring. And please check out my Instagram at Creative Life of Liz so you can see the in-progress spreads, finished spreads, I tag all the shops, etc. And until next time, bye!